Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Can I come in? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
I had 3 stroke 8 in here, but I took my premium, my truck over there.
Okay.
And that's what I did 700 per sub over here.
Yes, sir.
Try to get some more power to it.
Nice.
Yeah, you from Savannah, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm from Hinesville.
Hinesville. Okay, right up the road. Yep.
Yep.
Nice.
2-1 ratio, 6 18-inch team FI subs.
Okay.
Powered by 6 depth box 79.1s.
Okay.
I got a 180 amp bank in the back seat max.
Yes, sir.
I got 260 volt alternates right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. This is pretty impressive to see you fit that much.
Yeah,
Wow.
16, 12.
Nice.
Yeah.
And this is a 4th order?
Yeah.
Okay. The team series, how is that working on the 4th? Does pretty good?
It's pretty good. I had ZB5s in here, man, but the ZB5s kept going. So I switched to those, man. Like I said, I didn't have any problems. This is like my first time putting some real power on.
Yeah.
So, you know, we mirrored it with the song answer, man. We did like a 162.
Wow.
I haven't mirrored it yet, but this
Yes, sir. Excuse me. Okay.
there you go, man.
Nice. That 4-inch coil helped a good bit too.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Nice.
I got model bitches wanna lick me like some cat, and them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had them drugs come in handy. 10 bad bitches in a match. Rich song, many rock, them diamonds on me dance. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy, and them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
On that codeine, not Brandy.
900 per amp. I mean per sub.
Oh, okay.